Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Lexus ES 350 navigation. First, you'll need to identify your current navigation system version. Next, gather the necessary equipment, which typically includes a blank, formatted 4GB USB memory stick or an SD card, depending on your system. Finally, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent interruptions during the update process. Once prepared, navigate to the official Lexus customer portal in your web browser and sign in. You may need to register if you don't have an account. Then, enter your vehicle's VIN to ensure you download the correct map and software update for your specific Lexus ES 350 model. Download the ZIP file, extract it, and save the extracted files to your USB stick or SD card. With the update files on your storage device, take it to your Lexus ES 350. Insert the USB stick into the car's USB port or the SD card into its slot. Follow the instructions shown on the navigation screen to begin the installation. It is crucial not to turn off the vehicle or remove the drive during this process, which can take around 20 minutes. After the installation is complete, verify that your navigation system is fully updated by checking the map version in the settings. Lexus typically releases navigation updates once a year, so regularly check the portal for new map data. Some updates may require professional installation at a certified Lexus dealership. For other great deals and the link to darn tough socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.